Hey Alberto, how you doing, brother? Yeah, no, not bad start to the day. Good day yesterday, over gold, 8,400. Oh, happy enough with that. There's the algorithmic scrum. The 8 o'clock scrum. Quite a lot of news breaking. It's lower price stocks, mostly sub $2. Quite a lot of news breaking today, so we might get a bit of volatility. Who knows? Walmart's breaking highs. Have a look at Walmart and how they're getting on. No volume. Oh, that's the probably the 8 o'clock scrimmage. S&P 500 is up on the day, as is the NASDAQ. Not quite up to Thursday's highs. That was the 2023 high last Thursday. Not far off. M4 Bird, one of the biggest movers today. I actually lost money last week there, dog. If I'm calling it as it is, last money was last week. I had 3 losing days last week, 3 red days last week, which isn't a good week, and 1 no trade day. So I only had 1 profitable day last week, where I made 13.5k. So overall, last week I lost what, about 6k. I made 8,400 yesterday, so back at the high. Paid the drawdown. Oh no, it's not unfortunate. It comes with the territory. Although saying that, yes, can you do that, Alistair? Red days are inevitable. You're going to have losing days, losing trades, losing days. It's just important to keep them as small as possible and recognise that maybe your judgment is off. Maybe the market's not best suited for your strategy on a particular day. So, but yeah, I'm doing all right for the year. Gotta be honest. Not far off gold. 60k off the goal for the year. So that's not too bad at all. At 60k 500, 60,500 for the year to get to goal for the year. So we're currently sitting at 1.37 million for the year. I don't know. Let's see. These algorithmic spikes are not helping. So yeah, just be careful with the 8 o'clock scrummage, the algorithmic scrummage, 8 o'clock. Just be careful with that. A lot of stocks. Hang on a minute. We're getting little breakout on Arcutis, which was a big movie yesterday. It's trying to go green on the day today. Hey Virgo. So it hits the scanners, but it's not. That's not right. The scanner's wrong. What's going on there with that scan? Core Connect, back at it. This is one from yesterday. You're out of this out of the sin there, Fuzzy. Well, just go small, take it easy. You know yourself. Don't be going all in. It's not a poker tournament. You don't have to go all in off holes. Just take it small, incremental gains. You're looking for 1-2%. Look for 2 to 3% on a daily, the 3K account. If you can get $100 a day and grow your account slowly for the first month or two, you'll be absolutely set. I'm sure you'll be just fine, Fuzzy. $230 on a minute. Chinese dentist, that's a bit racist. I don't care. $230. Come on, cancel me. Yeah, there we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's algorithmic spikes again. You just throw out the charts and screw up the charts altogether. Look at these algo spikes on Pambella. Right, these algo spikes. Well, the markets are looking juicy again today. You know yourself, it's about being disciplined and not getting greedy, Fuzzy. Just avoid blowing up your account. Just stay disciplined, stick to the strategy, and remember to cut your losses if it's not breaking out for you. Normal day. Yeah. Unbalanced. Trying to bounce off the VWAP. Have I ever thought about living in South America? Not really. I've not really traveled much in South America, to be fair. Argentina and Mexico, that's pretty much it. And Mexico's really Central America than South America. Yeah, that's a, would it though? Would it? You know, I mean, I've got all day, where I am right now, I'm 13 hours ahead of the market, but I've got all day to myself. I get up when I want, spend time with a little one, we go out, have day trips, you know, spend time in the pool, whatever. And then come the evening, it just means that I'm not drinking in the evening, so I'm actually losing weight, which is good for me. So being on the same time zone isn't necessarily better time zone. It's what do you prefer trading in the evening when all the day's done and dusted, or do you prefer getting up and then going to the, you know, for pre-market in a similar time zone to the market? I'm not so sure that's best, because, you know. Completely wrong. Well, that's true. Latin, no, to be fair, I mean, there's a huge Latin influence here in the Philippines, so there's a joke out there that Filipinos are the Mexicans of Southeast Asia. Well, they were a Spanish colony for a long time, so you know that's a big part of it. And when you think that the popular surnames in the Philippines, Sanchez, Gomez, it's very similar to Mexico. Diaz. Not your typical Asian names, that's for sure. This is the second time I've been faked out. iCore Connect. Hmm. 2-minute fake out as well. It's not like it was a 1-minute chart. Waited for the confirmation. Increased volume. It is top of the surging stocks list right now. And Nokia's up there with it. iCore Connect. Big mover yesterday. Well, big mover the last 2 days if it happens. Friday and yesterday. I'm sure you mean feisty our end, as opposed to fisty. Although, you know, in South America, they have been known to be quite fisty as well. Marquis of Queensbury. Nokia, this is the top sturdy in stock right now. Yeah, I don't like that chart. Look at the Nokia chart. No volume at all, it's just flat line up there. I don't know what's going on with that. Certainly is. 360. And today high of 370. 2 more cents. Volume's tried right up. Look at breaking highs. Aldea Therapeutics. We're up to $4 on this. 15 cents would be nice. Here we go. Are we going to break $4? 7. 98 briefly on the ask. There is 99. There we go. A break of $4. Day 23. Phase 2 trial. Music moving. Not well panic here. Still got a gap to fill to $5 here yet from October, and it gapped down. Actually, gap to 520. CGN is testing $2 again. ECDA, top of the momentum chart. 214 right now. Oh, it was. Don't like this. Descending wedge into a flat bottom usually breaks down. They took the money and run up at the top. A lot of news today. Different stocks have different news, but there's a lot of news out today. A lot of movement, particularly in the lower price stocks. A lot of runners. Volatility is coming back, kids. Definitely, volatility is definitely coming back. Whether that's just a kind of rally into the new year, I don't know, but we'll see. Summer was horrible in terms of volatility, but since October we've had quite a bit. November was good. And December is showing up. Got support at 360, but it's not going to hold at this rate. In lower highs, lower lows, but in the 4 to 360, so it's not looking favourable for a nice bounce here, but we'll see. Get back above the VWAP, we might see some volume coming. If bucks, maybes. Couldn't be trading on ifs. I like the catalyst though. What am I always saying? Don't trade the news, trade the market reaction to the news. MAMA, make breaking highs. It is the top gapper on the day as well. It stands right now above $2. Aldera Therapeutics. A long wait. Don't want to be in this for an hour. A long wait till the bell. So 52 minutes. LGMK. Momentum stars. Oh goodness, that's GMK volatile. Morning, Daryl. How you doing, buddy? I managed to get a nice amount of CGM. Fake tape twice on iCore Connect. It happens. Starting to get the rain's coming down again. I can hear it. In the middle of a storm at the moment. With a typhoon. Hey Earth and Honey, how you doing? Let's get that like count up, guys. We've got 50 minutes to the market opens. Let's get the like count up. Let's get increase that like count. We need to get those likes up over 50. Up over 50. Got 70 odd people watching on YouTube, and more than half of you haven't even hit the thumbs up button. So smash that thumbs up button. Just helps out with the YouTube algorithm. It helps me out. Well, my average hold time from entering a trade to exit is an hour, statistically speaking. Don't really want to be holding this when it's showing such weakness. Get out of that. See if I can't find something else to make that up. From green to red. Nothing new there. That's very choppy. Back to waiting. I'm not negative my daily goal. False? What are you talking about? I'm a negative my daily goal. My daily goal's 6k. I'm down 3.5. What's? Oh, I get you. So yeah, I was 3k up, and I get you now. I get you. So I just came back 5k. Oh, 4,800 on ALDX. Plus the 500 I made on it. So yeah, 5k. Just over 5k. But there's volatility in the market today, guys. Clearly. A lot of movers. Granted, not a lot of follow through, but there is quite a lot of movers. My goodness. VERU. It's 69 cents now. I remember trading that up for like 25 cents, $25 or something last year. To be fair, I've been doing quite a bit of that myself. Ed, don't be a wolf. You're Irish, of course you can drink like half of the coke. Looks like it's Alberto. High of day 249. Well, that rain is coming down hard. Wow, I feel like the house is coming in. Wondering what that noise is? That's rain. That's real rain. Tropical rain. Not clever. Yeah, well, it's I suppose it comes with the territory. Literally bouncing off the floor, it will be. It's not holding up there. Thank goodness I can't hear myself think. Wow. Wow. No, it's not available to me there, Red, so I don't use it. I do get that information when there's halt levels. So you get that on Dash Trader when you get halt levels. The imbalance. Yeah, I've never seen it. I've never used it then. Never seen it. I'm going to have a quick look. Study config. No. So can't find it on the studies. Indicators. Alright, no more trading until I get a clear, voluminous move. A little bit of a hole to dig ourselves out of again. We did that yesterday, so that's okay. We'll do it again today. That much, I'm quietly confident. Don't know why. Got a feeling about it today. What are you guys watching today? Quite a lot of movement. PBLA, ALDX, CGEN, IFBD, SFWL, BCDA. There's loads of moves. ICCT, IVVD, even TNA. The higher price stock is that's an ETF actually. Hey Puzba, thanks for what? So we're back into barcoding. Market's looking quite bullish. Look at on the 15. So we had a nice bullish day yesterday, pull back into the close, gap up this morning, and we're moving up. So we're over the VWAP, looking very strong. If we look at this on the daily, you can see where we are right now. As it stands right now, we're very close to the all-time high. 473.73 on the daily. 473.12 is where we are. 479.36 is the all-time high on the SPY. 479.36 and we're at 473. We could get that this week. We've got 4 days of bullish action and we could get that this week. And like a new all-time high on the SPY. Can you imagine? You know, I agree, Vol. I agree. I think the thick end of the move's passed on some of those. Excuse me. Morning, Vegas. Excuse me, I'm a bit sleepy today. Oh, a bit of the old Christmas carols. Hey, Gerald. I think I'm having my Monday on a Tuesday for a change. I didn't trade last Tuesday. I went to a birthday party. So, what are you guys doing for Christmas? I mean, that's at the weekend, isn't it? Well, say the weekend. Next Monday is the 25th. So it's effectively Christmas weekend, a nice long weekend, Christmas weekend. What do you have planned? Do any of you have good plans? Let's get smash the thumbs up button for me while we're waiting for the market to open, guys. We've got half an hour before the market actually opens, so just smash that thumbs up button. Hey Mark, good luck with that. You might be waiting a long while, waiting from SoFi to short squeeze. It's only 16% short interest, which is if you think about the GameStop squeeze back in. It was oversold, so there was like I think 120% short with all the synthetic shorts. But so far it's only 16%, 15.9% based on the data I've got in front of me. So you might be waiting a while. Clatter, you rented a villa in Capri. Oh well, okay. Well, it's not freezing here, that's for sure. Oh dear, Alan, dear. I expect that from Alistair, but come on. Try harder. Try harder. I'm in it right now, Clatter. Did you not hear the rain a few minutes ago? The bear months, they call them bear months. So it's if the month ends in a BER, that's monsoon season, typhoon season. So September through December is effectively the rainy season. I like the Peter Kay joke. It's friend got run over by one of my friends got run over by a mobile library, and driver got out and he broke a leg and it was screaming. Driver got out and went shh. Well, it'd hurt if it was full of hardbacks, wouldn't it? I mean, come on. Got 9 charts open in front of me in different stocks, and all of them are just sideways. We're gonna get something moves really well. It's about choosing the right one at the open. I think it's either going to be ALDX or CGN. Don't ask me why I feel that way. I just think that way. Yeah, exactly, Clatty. What we do for love, yeah, absolutely. And sunshine. Let's not forget the sunshine and the cheap booze and the good food. Yeah, that's true as well. Oh, I'm sleepy today. I have to break out the Barocca at this rate. You off anywhere nice for Christmas, Alistair? Was it one of those family dues? Good firm. Making a little move. Not a great volume though. St. Lucia, I know it well. My sister got married in St. Lucia many years ago. Nice. That was over the Christmas period as well. The day after King's Day. Or Insurrection Day. Yeah, I'm just looking at a firm, but it's the volume ain't great on it. On a firm at the moment. Moving up, but you know, it's 372k. Spreads 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents on the range, on the ATR. Probably not worth the risk at the moment with that volume as well. Decent catalyst though. Firm expands to self-checkout at Walmart stores this holiday shopping season. Eligible customers can pay over time with the firm at over 4,500 Walmart stores in the US. By the way, guys, you can pay with the firm for Day Trade with Tony, which if you join Day Trade with Tony, you can get 50% off, and you can pay with the firm and spread it over time. So you can get a full annual membership to Day Trade with Tony for less than $500 and spread it over the year, whatever, 3 months, whatever. So yeah, I forgot to mention that Klarna and the firm partnered with Teachable, so that you can actually spread the cost of your education. Yeah, a bit of a disappointment, IF3D. Major sell-off now. Went up to like 340, and now it's below 2. It's testing the $0.50. So this might, Pambella might go up, they might break $2 at the open. Morning, Cal. Yeah, I'm just not seeing anything that I feel is strong right now. The firm's probably the best one. So even that's pulling back. Just wait for the open, I guess. Got 20 minutes. Lucky number 36. Well, 37's gone in there, so let's get another 13 likes. If you've not smashed it yet, smash that thumbs up button. It really does help me out with the old YouTube algorithm. The more likes we get, the more it pushes out this live stream to other like-minded viewers, and we can have a more engaged chat. So, and don't forget to share it amongst your friends and family and, you know, colleagues or whatever. Just 10 more thumbs ups. I've only got 10 fingers, but 5 more of them. How are we doing on the old TikTok in terms of like count? Not huge. Come on. If I logged into my other TikTok channel, I could get more than 150 likes just myself by tapping the screen a dozen times or so. So come on, guys, if you're watching on TikTok, do me a favor and just give it a bit of a drum roll. Let's get to kind of a couple of thousand likes at the very least. I used to get like 5,000-10,000 likes on TikTok. I'm thinking about just binning off TikTok altogether at this rate. Seems it's not worth the hassle right now. Yeah, let's get that like count to 50. We've got 7 more. Come on, you know you want to do it. The half of you that haven't, smash the thumbs up button and do it now. Put some massage off. Yeah, it's there's not a lot going on at the moment. The firm just brought some news out. Walmart with a Walmart affiliation. Cheers, Helio. Still didn't get to 50 likes, but you know, thanks anyway. Wait for a new high before trying. Yeah, dude. I think Edward did the exact same thing. Hey, look. Sometimes, well, you know, my average hold once I get into a trade is an hour. So from first entry to last exit. Can we get over 46 here? Come on. 46 bucks. Let's get 47 bucks. That'll do. Let's do 46. They're over 46. Nice, nice, nice. And hold 46. Keep going. Let's get 47. I'm done with it. My exit. I'll be over $47. Come on. 46.50. Next breakout 46.50. Yeah, absolutely. The sub $1 market today is very buoyant. A lot of movement in the sub $1 stock range. It's called CGen for a reason. Just add a letter to it, or upgrade the first letter to D. DGen. Got to be degenerate to trade it. First candle breaks a low. That's the start of the comeback. Yeah, no, absolutely. You can get 24 cents out of the market every day. Over time, and you scale up, and you can make a lot of money. Good return. 10,000 shares, 24 cents, that's 2.5 grand. Kind of watching CGen at the open. We've got 12 minutes, just over 11 minutes and change. We've got a firm at the open which should get quite a lot of interest. I'm watching a firm, I'm watching ALDX. That's quite a lot of movement. What are my ones that I'm watching at the open? So firm, ALDX, CGN, ECDA-ish, Shangfang's underneath the VWAP by a considerable amount, so I don't really like that. Innate Pharma, no, probably not. ICO Connect, yes. And Vivid, maybe from yesterday, if we get a continuation on that one. Underneath the view up selling off though, I don't really like that much. Yeah, can I, mine's milk, no sugar, get them. A 9 on a firm. I bounce at $46, $46 area. Back in for the breakout. That's a new high on 2 time frames. That's a bit weird. BGEN making another move, pulling back, just finding support at $2. Not really doing much. I'm just getting range on the spread here at the minute. The spreads at the minute. A little bit premature for the new high, the 46.35, 46.34. Much for the breakout. I think gap and go on the firm could be a very distinct possibility. It also could be a gap and crack. $0.20, 21 cents on the ATR, 10 cents on the spreads. $0.10 now. Let's put the high of day-ish. And we get a new high of day. 35. There's 35. 39. There's a new high of day. 42. Keep going. And we get the half dollar. 44. 45. 49. Sellers at the half dollar. Out straight past them. And take the bid with you. Pull back. Back between the spreads. Just under 5 minutes till the market opens. No, Gerald, once you've taken the course, you're in the Discord, you've got access to the Discord. You're a student, so... All day Trevor Tony students get lifetime access to the Discord. If you're a subscriber via YouTube, then you just get access for as long as your subscription's valid. But if you're a student, that once you've taken the course, which you can get for $60 at the moment, 50% off using the code XMAS, XMAS. No worries, Gerald. Let me know when you're ready to have a one-to-one as well, buddy. How do you find me in Discord? You don't, Clarty. There's two ways to get access to the Day Trade with Tony Discord. The one is by becoming a Day Trade with Tony student, and you get access as part of that mentorship program. And the other one is by becoming a tier 3 subscriber on YouTube. Membership. I'm a YouTube member. No worries, buddy. Take your time. Good morning, Robin. You get a consultation as part of that package you took. So now's a good time to actually get on either Benzinga or get on the day trade. But the discounts are fantastic right now. Christmas discounts, 50% off on day trade with Tony, 65% off on Benzinga. Fantastic discounts. So, get ready. I'm just going to change the scanners over. Get ready for the bell. That was a nice little gap and go. Another one on CGEN, gap and go. $220 now, CGEN. Oh, we're almost green. Well, do you need a trading view when if you've got Benzinga? Suppose if you're using trading view to chart and trade to start off with. Why did I get out of that one? No idea. That's dead. Back up. Doing so well. CGN halted to the upside. Yeah, it moved, but it's not brought the pre-market highs yet, but it's halted to the upside. That looking like a 239, a slight gap up, 239 resumption. That should come back at 938 to come in. $27. Resistance at 47.50 at the $0.50. Once we clear that, we should break 48. Looking for 48 now. $94 is the high of day. I'm looking for 48. 47.94 is the high. 48. It's 48. $0.30 trailing stop on that. Right, we're green. Nice one. Glad to see it there, getting. So, CGEN resumed gap down. By the looks of it. Actually gapped down. Some volatility on this, kids. So Compugen, CGEN, breaking highs. 238 is the halt level. Just be careful. That's 238. And it's at the halt level. Looks like it might. False halt. Back up to 238. This time it should halt. A lot going through. No. 244. Move the halt level. 244. $244 is the halt level. It's up there now. Oh, and another false halt. I'm just going to go back to affirm whilst this is very volatile. Firm's still breaking highs. Looks like it's trying to break highs again here. 75. 77 we got. Yeah, the false halts. It's keeps false halting. I'm gonna get $49 on this. I'd have been quids in if I just bought and held pre-market at 45.50. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, and all that kind of stuff. And here comes the rain again. And that's not me trying to do my Annie Lennox impression. It's I can hear the rain outside again. Not as heavy as it was before, but not far off. $500. LDX didn't do anything. Due a bit of a 5-minute pullback here, so I'm just going to get out there. Wait for a bit of a consolidation out. I just traded CGen and Affirm. I'd have been over goal by now. TNA is breaking highs as well. ETF. I'll take some off at the top, but also a bit premature. Not usually my problem, I have to admit, but $0.15 risk on this part. For slippage, 20 cents. And a halt to the downside. Pureback bouncing off the lows. No, not for me. That's another one. No, it's a no for me. I think I'm just going to watch a firm for now. Right now, the only one that's really attractive to me. Five-minute pullback. Is it breaking 5-minute lows? That's the question. What's the low on this one? 48.50. There you go. Just broke the 5-minute low. We're going to get support on the 9/half dollar. Back to that in a moment. Qantas moved yesterday big. Not great volume though. IFBD sold off hard, trying to come back. If it can get over $2, maybe we'll look at it over a VWAP. If it gets over a VWAP, it did move up big. Pre-market up to 340. So nice one, Robin. And 49.32 is the high of the day. I got out for break even on that one. Actually made a grand. Is it moving there, Alan? ECDA is. No one seems to have made its move, but it's consolidating right now. But we'll come back to it. $49.32, that's the higher. I don't want no double tops here. 30-cent trailing stop. So over 50, I'll scale back in, but I don't mind getting stopped out for profit. 20 cents on my stop at the moment. $49.95 high of day. Look at 49.80s right now. Can't we get over 50 bucks? No, is the answer. Not yet, at least. Psychological level, $50. New high of day there. You know, $49.97. $49.98. $99, there's 50. Ah, yeah. Win not doodle. Yeah, when a firm runs, it's got a good catalyst, it's a good runner. It does trend well. A few like that. Kavana's another one. And 48, that's the 9. First red, 5-minute red candle actually, so I probably should just get that. Giving huge amounts back. Back over $50, I'm back in the money. Range on this is like 50 cents on the ATR, so it's like 2 minutes. This could really just flush and move like 50 cents and wipe out the gains I've made and put me back where I started. You've got to be mindful of that. Looking weak down here. Yeah, it's told you. It's a Walmart collaboration on the self-checkouts. I'm still in it. Oh, I didn't realise I was in so big. Okay. Just continuing to sell off. So we're back where we started. It is good it's pulling back like this and selling off. I was £5 up on a firm. Trading like a donkey since June. Oh no! Keep your red days small, Tom. ECD Automotive. No volume on it, or inconsistent volume at least. I have a feeling that the firm's going to go back to the highs a little bit later, but we'll see. Ew. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not in that. I'm looking for something else. I'm not really seeing anything. Anybody seeing anything else? Five minutes time frame. This is actually quite a healthy pullback. We're closing at the 5 minutes now. Back over 49, I'll be interested. Again. Are you talking to Flip Jug? bounce on the VWAP. Move on. Yeah, so the catalyst for a firm is that when Walmart stores over the Christmas period, now you can use a firm to buy now, pay later on your self-checkout. I'm going over 50 again on this. Will it all? Come on. Manifest. That's the wrong direction. I'm trying to manifest. I'm trying to manifest $50. I recommend everybody trading a simulator before you go live, guys. Don't put real money on the line that you don't have or can't afford to lose. Tom's been doing it right. He's spent the whole year in the sim this year. He's going live in January. It's a nice bit of consistency, but those big red days, you want to get rid of those, Tom. Well, I've been green, I've been red, I've been green. I'm just going to let this play out. If it gets to $50, then it gets to $50, and I will start taking profits from there. But otherwise, I'll let it play out. And if it pulls back to below 49, I will get out and lock it down as a bad day. Double bottom there. I can get 50 new high of day with this. Benz, if you want a simulator to try, I always say if you're going to be trading in a simulator, trade in the simulator version of paper trade with the platform you intend to trade with. If you're going to be trading with Interactive's TWS, trade in that simulator. If you're going to be trading with TDA's Thinkorswim, trade on Thinkorswim paper, trade on Thinkorswim. Likewise, if you're going to be trading on Dash Trader or Sterling Trader, trade on Dash Trader or Sterling Trader. Just try and get it as real, as close to the real thing as possible. Halfway to go. Yeah, I'm red. I'm significantly red. Hey, 83, how you doing, buddy? That catalyst affirmed you deserve to be at $51. I deserve you to be at $51. No bacon, egg and cheese. This is equities. We're currently trading a firm. Well, I'm not green, so I've put my line in the sand there. I'm looking for 50, but my take profit's at 50, and my stop loss is just under 49. That's what I'm in now. $50 to make 50 cents. It's not great, but actually I'm 30 cents to make 50 to make 70, but oh, actually no, it's not. It's 50 cents to make 70. But it's a little bit in my favor. 40 cents to make 70. CDIO. Yeah, this is going to break down, I think. $0.20 left of this cushion. A lot of people just cut it when they realize it's going bad, and I just let it play out. You're probably better off cutting it when it's going bad. Right now, this is going very bad, so right on $49 right now, a couple of cents. You're better off just cutting it, cutting the losses early. Yeah. It's not the equity that's in there, Vols. It's not the equity that's in there. It's the risk that you're taking. You know, you don't. If you can have it a $500,000 position, but you're not a leveraged position as well. But you can have it a $500,000 position, but you're not risking $500,000. Anybody that says that doesn't understand trading. They doesn't understand the difference between exposure and risk. Two different things. You are exposed to that amount, but that's not what you're risking. You did miss out on some action, Fark. You missed out on a lot of action. Right, I'm not done today. I'm going to find something to move. Something good to move. I really don't think the firm's done yet. Thinking this could be a double bottom. All that earlier. What's the entry there? It's 49.75-ish, give or take. Yes, 83, I agree. The S&P 500 is on a roll. Look at this, the market. SPY is up there at testing highs. So we're just made a new annual high. Well, it's actually a 2-year high. Look at this on the daily for a second. Up at 473.74. Yeah. Yeah, we're just making highs here. Making highs, annual highs. That was last Thursday, 473.73. We just went up to 470. We're up at 473.78. So new high of year on the SPY. The market is buzzing. Yeah, but when you're trading a large market cap with, you know, a good financial, a good economic moat there, Neef, are you really going to be risking that kind of, you know, $500,000 position in those smaller? If you like the Silicon Valley Bank, yeah, you could have been risking. If you tried to go long on that and it got halted, then you're risking everything because it was in financial trouble. A firm's not in financial trouble. Kavana's not in financial trouble. You know, these mid and high cap stocks, they're not in that kind of level of financial trouble. Some of these $2, $3, $4, $5 stocks are. So just be wary of those. Oh, fair play, Vols. Well, you're over your annual goal this year. I'm not doing my annual goal much favors with these big swinging. Bit mining. There is an IPO later today, LGCB. So the ticker LGCB. Oh, it's about to go live. Funnily enough. Yeah, that's why you scale up gradually. You're absolutely spot on. And you scale up gradually. Eventually, you can actually, when you're trading in a six-figure account consistently and you're trading it with a kind of size, emotions still get in the way sometimes, but you work your way up to that. Emotions, the psychological aspect of trading is one of the most difficult things to master. And getting on your emotions is extremely difficult. So with no trades yet, not quite live yet, no volume, but it's about to go live shortly. Bounced on the bloody VWAP. That's alright. 49.50. I'm going to have another go. Double bottom there. Nice W shape off the VWAP. Kind of strong. Good catalyst. Reasonable volume. It's getting higher volume right now on the 5 minute. No worries by the dip. Small green's good green. Any green's good green. Yeah, Robin, it is. It's not easy. And look, I'm a consistently profitable trader. I'd hardly say I'm a guru or a master at it, that's for sure. I'm profitable. Not today, I was yesterday. And I am for the year, I am for December. But it's like any high-paying profession, it takes time to acquire the skill set. You wouldn't become a dentist by watching a YouTube video and then buy yourself the tools and then open your own practice. Well, I suppose some people would, but probably find themselves having to pay out on a few lawsuits. IPO just gone live. Wow. That's some volatility straight away. I always say let the first 5 1-minute candles form. It doesn't matter if it's halted. But watch the first 5 minutes form and you'll see what kind of volatility you get, what kind of range you get in, whether it's up or down. It's Yeah, it's all about probabilities. All about probabilities, and you know, risk reward is a probability. You want to be cutting losers before you become big losers, which I should have done with the firm and ALDX, to be fair. And I would probably still be greed, but greed takes over sometimes, and that's one of the emotions you've got to get over as well. Looks like it's selling. Back over $4 might be of interest on that IPO, but one of the biggest gappers pre-market, SFWL, Shengfeng Development Corporation, and it's now 25% down on the day. This was up at $9 last night. Closed out yesterday at $4.79 and went up to over $9, and selling since. Yeah, CGN, big dumping. In Vivids, trying to test the VWAP again. S&P 500 now in the 473.90s. Like every other minute, it's breaking a new biannual high. So the S&P 500 is strong time, nothing else. Underneath the VWAP, not really looking like much happening. Rejected at the VWAP. View. Yeah, not great volume at all. weird. Life science, again, low volume. Back to base hits. Let's see one small recoveries. Inverse head and shoulders I'm seeing. Shoulder one, head, shoulder two. That's what I'm seeing there. Don't know about anyone else. Same on the 2-minute time frame as well. It's not quite as clear on the 5, but it's definitely an inverse head and shoulders. No worries, Vol. Thanks for turning up as always. Appreciated. Yeah, I would recommend logging your trades, like Cal's saying, logging your trades in a journal or even on Excel spreadsheet. If you not to the point where you can afford a journal. I mean, they're not expensive. You can get access to like TraderView for like $10 a month. It's not expensive for the base package. In fact, the base package is a freemium package. So log your trades, and as I say, review them. Well, the people that tell you that become a day trader, you only have to work an hour a day or half an hour a day, it's rubbish. You still end up doing a 9 to 5. Well, you still end up doing like 4 or 5 hours every day. Yeah, 410. Range isn't that great on it at the minute, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. Yeah, 5 to 8 hours a day. So standard kind of number 5. Absolutely. The worst thing you can do is come into a nice, little windfall and put it into a brokerage account and start trading large straight away. It's the worst thing that you could do. That's just rubbish. I mean, swing traders, I suppose you can do that if you're a swing trader. You wake up, but usually if you're a swing trader, you're doing your due diligence the night before. You're doing your due diligence before you go to bed, and then you put your trade on when you get up in the morning. And then you go and do your day. You got your take profit, and your stop loss, and then you come back at the end of the day. Is it in a good position? Do I leave it overnight? Kind of set and forget as a swing trader. But end of the day or beginning of the day, whichever way, it depends on the strategy that they're using. If they're looking for overnight gap fills and stuff like that, and obviously they want to put it on at the end of the day. Myself goes on to my highs. I think it will. Yeah, but the range still isn't there. You need volatility and volume. So the volume's coming in, but the volatility's not there yet. I mean, since it's opened, it's had like a 60 cents across from high to low. Yeah, FARC not going anywhere at the moment. It's just sideways. In the grand scheme of things, it's just sideways. Yes, I have got a big share size. Yes, I have got a large market value. No, I'm not risking $500,000 before anyone else asks me. That's me gone. That's a little bit more than I really wanted to lose today. Not that I wanted to lose anything, but I'm locking it down. It's locked in. I'm just locking on montage now, and I'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get a nice runner tomorrow. Oh, hang on a minute. What's going on with this one? Gin Medical. That makes no sense at all. What's that even doing on that list? Momentum list? No, nothing there. That's the IPO. Yeah, it's just sideways. It's $4. It's got a bit of a range either side, but it's $4. It's $4.30, $3.62. That's the high and low. You're trading within 50 cents, and with an IPO, you really want to see it to have some momentum from the off. It may come good a little bit later, but probably unlikely. The volume's not great with it either, so yeah, IPO probably not going to give us the volatility that you were looking for. So look, I'm going to knock it on the head before I start throwing good money after bad, and I'll be back tomorrow. So we've just gone red on the week as a result. We're at 7k red on the week. So we come back again tomorrow, 8 o'clock, and we'll do it all over again. Okay, guys, take it easy in the meantime, and I'll